Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going over how to correct your swayback posture while you're standing. So what is swayback posture? It's basically when your hips are swayed too far forward and it begins to feel natural for you. So this is your default position that you don't even know that you're in. The problem is it can be affecting your back, particularly if you have a hard time bending over and your back hurts. You may have some problems going on with your shoulders and your neck because it tends to be forward. So this is going to be the typical swayback posture here, and how we're going to correct it is we need to both bring back the hips so that your seam line here is over this bony part of your ankle, your lateral malleolus. Okay, we need to bring that back, but that's not enough. If you do that, you're going to have to also get tall in the upper back and bring your head back a little bit. This will all feel very weird and foreign to you, but trust me, the biggest benefit is that it gets your alignment neutral. So there are forces not being imposed on your body that are causing damage to you. And it makes you feel different in that you're taller and you're more inclined to be a little bit mentally different and open because you've opened yourself up. You have to get back, you have to get taller, bring the head back a little bit, make sure it feels strange at first, and consistently try to maintain this posture. If you have any questions or comments, let me know. Thanks for watching.